guys have strawberry skin, bumpy arms and rough body skin, and that doesn't go away even how much body lotion you guys apply? Today I am reviewing M-Caffeine 11% AHA BHA Skin Smoothing Strawberry Body Lotion. It claims to smooth bumpy skin, exfoliates gently and hydrates your skin up to 72 hours. Let's see if it actually works or it's just a hype. Before we talk about the product, let's just understand what are strawberry legs. They are the tiny dark dots on your skin which are caused by clogged pore, dead skin buildup and ingrown hair. Normal body lotions just moisturize, they don't exfoliate your skin. That's why this problem remains. This M-Caffeine 11% AHA BHA Skin Smoothing Body Lotion, priced around $4.99 in market and may vary depending on the different platforms and offers they say, helps you deal with these problems. This product is designed to deal with rough, bumpy and uneven body skin. Let us talk about the ingredients of the product, which is the main highlight for this product by the company. It has AHA, that is alpha hyaluronic acid, which works on the top layer of the skin and tries to remove the dead skin and improve the skin texture. It has BHA, which is salicylic acid, which goes inside the pores, clear the oil and the dirt, and it is very good for strawberry legs and ingrown hairs. And 11% blend of AHA and BHA works like a strong concentration and is an exfoliator and not just moisturize the skin. And you have strawberry extract and glycerin in it, which helps in hydrating, smoothing and brightening of the skin, and you doesn't feel dry after exfoliating the skin. Now we'll try to look at the packaging of the product first. It is very cute packaging. It almost looks like a strawberry, which the name suggests. You can see the dots on the packaging like you feel and see on the strawberry. This product is a 200 ml bottle, and the packaging is done very good by M-Caffeine. I'm really impressed by packaging. It is an eye-catching packaging for me. Now let us open it and see the texture and how the product is. You will get a scanner on this which says scan and know more. So if you have any doubt, you can scan and know more about the product. So this is the bottle. It's like cute strawberry shaped bottle. I have never seen a body lotion bottle like this. This is very cute, and they have lived up to what they say on the packaging. It is a strawberry body lotion. Every moment you will feel like it's a strawberry body lotion. Now let's just see how it is. So this is how. So the texture is lightweight and it is creamy. It is not thick and sticky. As you can see, it spreads evenly on the skin and absorbs very fast on your skin. The fragrance of the product is sweet and fruity like a strawberry, and if you like fragrance product, then you're going to enjoy this product. And if you are sensitive to fragrance, then think about before buying this product. Best way to use this product is use on dry and clean skin, apply after shower, use 2 to 3 times in a week, avoid using after shaving or waxing. Also apply sunscreen on the exposed area the next day when you go out. So one more tip, overusing of exfoliating product can damage your skin, so be consistent and think and do not use excessive of this product at a time. Before applying on your skin, do a patch test on your hand so you can see whether this product suits your skin. If this product suits your skin and the patch test is okay for you guys, there's no irritation, there's no skin allergies to it, then you go and use this product. So this suits my skin, so I'm using this. If it was not able to suit my skin, then I will not be using this product. So that's a suggestion, and it goes for every product or skincare product or makeup product you use. Do a patch test before you use this product. Strawberry legs, bumpy skin, dull and uneven body skin, and ingrown hair. Who should avoid this product? If you have a too much sensitive skin, then you should avoid this. If you have cuts or rashes on your skin, then don't use this product. And do not use this product after hair removal. And do not use this product immediately after hair removal. So guys, don't think that the miracle will happen overnight and your skin issues will be solved overnight. Every product have its own time to react on your skin, and every skin type is different. For some people it will get better results in week or so, some will take more time. And if it suits your skin, then only you use it. Otherwise, just for the sake that you have those issues, you have to use this product is not recommended at all. Please do the patch test. Highly recommended to do a patch test before taking any product or using it daily on your skin or weekly on your skin. So you guys should use it as prescribed on the package to see a better result, smooth skin, less of your strawberry legs, evening of your dull skin. So slowly and steadily the product will give results. So be consistent and use in the quantity prescribed on the packets and the way it is said on the packet to be used. So let's discuss the pro and the cons of this product. So let's discuss the pros. It effectively exfoliates your skin, hydrates your skin. It has a lightweight texture, and it is suggested to be good for strawberry legs. The cons of the product is the fragrance is strong for some people. It is not for people with highly sensitive skins. Need sunscreen discipline too. If you apply this product, you need a sunscreen discipline also. So my final verdict for this product, that if you guys have strawberry legs, bumpy skin and rough skin and dull and uneven skin, then you can go for this exfoliating moisturizer which is there in the market right now. And please remember, do not use excess or overdo this product. If this review helped you, please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and comment below if you want me to compare it with some other body lotion, and please write me if you like the video or not. And thank you so much for watching this video. See you again in the next video. Stay beautiful and take care.